Hello everyone, in this lecture, we will discuss how to create a free website on Blogger in 2023, step by step. One very important thing to do before starting this lecture is if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon will get a notification of the new coming videos. Assuming you want to create a website on Blogger in 2023. Number 1. First, you need to create a Google account if you don't have one already. Number 2. Then go to www.blogger.com and sign in with your Google account. Number 3. Once you're signed in, click on the Create Your Blog button. Number 4. Enter a name for your blog and an address, or web address. Number 5. Choose a template. You can always change your template later. Number 6. Click Create Blog. And that's it. You've now created your own website on Blogger.